Hi there, students. Luscious. Okay, luscious is an adjective. We could have the adverb lusciously. So luscious is a very positive adjective. If something has a delicious taste or a delicious smell, there was lots of luscious chocolate all over the cake. There was a luscious smell coming from the kitchen. So luscious, having a delicious taste, a delicious smell. And then we can go further with that, something that appeals to the senses. So the language that he uses to describe things is luscious. He uses luscious adjectives. Luxurious, appealing to the senses. She has a luscious voice when she sings, and it makes her song sound beautiful. Something luscious, thick with images, and then luscious as well. Attractive, sexually attractive. A couple of luscious girls came into the pub. Okay, so luscious. Luscious food, a luscious smell, a luscious taste. The wine had a luscious and fragrant smell. Something very appealing to the senses. The luscious colours that had been used in the painting. And very attractive, very sexy. A luscious girl winked at me. Okay, so luscious. All of these, notice, these are very, very positive. With a pleasant, sweet taste, very juicy. A luscious, ripe orange. Luscious strawberries. And then luscious. Very green, very attractive. If you're talking about an area of country, the luscious countryside in summer, as long as it's been raining, is beautiful. Okay, a luscious landscape. So luscious, pleasing to see, pleasing to hear, pleasing to feel. She was wearing a luscious pair of white silk pajamas. Okay, luscious, appealing to the senses. Yeah, it's very luscious. Sweet and pleasant to taste or smell. The melon was absolutely luscious. She smiled at me lusciously in a beautiful and luscious way. I was given some luscious cherries to eat. Delicious, beautiful smell. The luscious style of his writing is wonderful to read. The luscious decoration of the house. Her luscious, long, beautiful legs. Delectable, sexy. So, sexy, attractive, arousing, a luscious blonde girl. Delicious, tasty, sweet, luscious fruit. Delicious fruit, ambrosia. Luscious, delectable, charming, heavenly. A luscious smell. Okay, so luscious, lusciously. Luscious, sweet and pleasant. Delicious, particularly smelling or the taste. Sexually very appealing. Yeah, a luscious lady came and gave me a kiss. Okay, so luscious. It's formality, luscious. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think use anywhere. I'm thinking maybe the sexy meaning, a luscious girl. I think I would probably give a 4 in formality, but a luscious peach, a luscious cherry, the luscious brush strokes, 5 in formality, use anywhere. So I think the sexy, maybe 4 in formality. Keep the sexy out of something very formal. And as to origin, it's a corruption of the word lustious from lusty, meaning pleasant and delicious. Okay, so luscious. Luscious long eyelashes. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Luscious. Lusciously.